Hello everybody, my name is Nay and today I am going to talk about my first assessment, which is about using place to describe about mathematics. The place that I am going to introduce today is the parks, the garden and the state library located in Melbourne CBD. The article from the International Electronic Journal of Mathematics Education by Hassans have stated that early childhood teachers have been introduced to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM's education to the existing curriculum is widely increasing around the world. In the early childhood education setting, many researchers have discussed the importance of early introduction to STEM education for children. For example, young kids can use geometric information about the shape of their environment to find objects. When they are growing, they learn how to pronounce the number, learn the number, and have begin to count. The article from the Playing with Mathematics, Play in Early Childhood as Content for Mathematical Learning by Bobby, have shown that mathematics is a subject that have been understood and accepted as important part of academic learning and therefore have played an important role in the formal education of young kids. So teaching math to kids in young age is very important. The other article that I have found is the mathematical through play in the early year by Kate have shown that outdoor activities such as nature walk, walking in the park or public area around the house help kids to improve mathematics, physical health, and even their self-confidence. More than this, it also gives the child to explore the nature environment. Furthermore, it's also encouraged in exploration, risk taken, and support their emotional well-being as well. As you can see in my video, I am at the park and the garden. This nature walk encourages kids to observe the environment with all sense. The books from the Nature Education with Young Children by Stephanie and Daniel have shown that nature walk in the park help kids to learn to focus on their surroundings and take in the detail of things around them as well. Walking like this can also help the kids to improve their mathematical skill. For example, I can ask open-ended questions like, can you tell me how many leaves are there? Can you find leaves of all different sizes, shapes and colors and group them together? This will help the kid with the counting number, help them to practice with remembering the number as well. Then I can ask them to count the bird as well. Can you let me know how many birds are there? This also will help them with their mathematics skill and them counting skill as well. Next, there will be a train coming and the street plate number on the street. I will also ask them to tell me the number, and by doing math outdoor like this, it enables children to develop an awareness that math is around them. Also, when walking around, I will also ask them to look for patterns or shape of the building, such as regular figures such as square or triangle or even a repeating sequence. Awareness of pattern and structure in early mathematical development article have shown that understanding of pattern and structure is important in early mathematics learning. This can help kids to start to recognize the mathematics figure, know the relationship between elements, and know variety of shape size. More than this, once kids start to know pattern, they start to see them everywhere around them. For example, in daily routine on the way to school or back to school. Moreover, when children start to play around with pattern activity, it can help them to develop positive behavior and access mathematics as well. So to conclude, nature walk such as walking to a park can show the kids that mathematics are everywhere, not just everything that they do at school. This can make math sound more exciting and fun for kids because kids can go outside for play and exploring math in the real world at the same time. This will help them to remember it well because they can see it with their eye. This also boosts them to help them to learn math as well. So this is all of my assignment 1. Thank you so much.